Alright, so welcome back. I wanted to do a really quick mini lesson or mini examples of what it means to find equivalent fractions. Equivalent fractions are just that. They are exactly the same identical value, however they look slightly differently. The easiest way to find them is to look at what part of the fractions you actually have. So here, notice I have my denominators, but my numerator is missing. So what you need to ask yourself is how do I multiply from the given fraction to the missing fraction? So specifically in this case, what we are asking is how to go from 8 to 72. Well, in this case it's simple. You would multiply by 9. Therefore, in terms of my fraction, I would have that 5 over 8 is equal to blank over 72. Well, if I have to multiply the bottom by 9 to get to 72, then I have to multiply the top by 9 as well. So the equivalent fraction here would be 45 over 72. And this is what we were looking for. So, I want to go from 21 to 126. So again, I want to know how to go from 21 to 126. Well, in this case, you need to multiply by 6. So I have 10 over 21 as my start. In order to get to 126 on the bottom, says I have to take my numerator and multiply it by 6, thus giving me 60 over 126, which is an equivalent fraction. Okay. Now this last one here, I have to remember that if I have a whole number, it's the same as over 1. So here I am looking at how to go from 1 to 5. Well, that again, you would multiply by 5. Therefore, if I have 12 over 1, that's going to equal 12 times 5 over 5, which is going to give me 60 over 5, and thus another equivalent fraction. So that's simply, when you're looking for equivalent fractions, that's all we're looking for. We are looking for how do you take the given fraction and scale it up. You're looking for what would you multiply the given part by in order to find the missing part. So if you have any questions about equivalent fractions, please let me know. Otherwise, always remember, keep smiling, have tons of fun, and ask lots of questions when you're doing your math. And as always, see you next time.